Welcome to Belhaven University Online. I'm Kevin Russell, Vice President for University Advancement. And for over 100 years, Belhaven University has been committed to quality academics with a Christian worldview. Ranked as one of the best online education programs by U.S. News and World Report, Belhaven continues to provide quality degree programs both online and on campus. One of the reasons why we are considered one of the best is due to flexibility we give our online students. Why is flexibility important? Well, we understand the challenges of balancing your work, your family, and your faith. Earning your degree shouldn't consume your other responsibilities. That's the benefit of an online education. You can bring the classroom with you wherever you go. Our staff and faculty want to see you succeed, and they are here to serve you. We want to see that your questions are answered and your needs are met. Personal attention like that is just hard to find at other universities. The Belhaven faculty are not only engaged and knowledgeable, but also have practical experience in the fields they're teaching. Our classes have a low student-to-teacher ratio, which means you get frequent personal interactions with your peers and professors. An online degree from Belhaven is so much more. It's getting the most out of every class, preparing you for your future career, receiving encouragement in your faith, being challenged by experienced faculty, and learning around your own flexible schedule. Contact us or fill out an application today to be one step closer to earning your degree from Belhaven University.